Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today, I'll be showing you a quick and easy recipe on grape juice and delicious tender coconut milkshake. This video will definitely have your taste buds tingling with these simple ingredients. Oh, not forgetting the many health benefits attached to these two recipes, such as maintaining a healthy blood pressure, support heart health, prevent damage to your blood vessels, help prevent kidney stones. It's a delicious source of hydration, it being the secret to my diet because it's a carb clever with lots of vitamin C and K. It will keep your body healthy and it's a perfect drink for summertime. Let's get juicy.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 day about you.
This is good. This is really good. Let me taste this. This tastes like wine, and this is so refreshing. You gotta try both. I can guarantee you the taste. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming with more videos. Until then, goodbye.